If you want to download apps on Samsung Galaxy A37, then we have two ways to do so. You can use the Play Store, and in this case you want to use a Google account. You need to have at least one Google account, of course, in order to be able to use the Play Store. In here, if you have apps selected, then you should be able to scroll through this list in order to try to find whatever you want to install. And also you can use categories here at the top in order to search for something more specific. And if you know what exactly you want to download on your phone, then of course you can use the search option in here. Then you can use the search field at the top. And then in here we can provide the name of the app or some clues or something in order to try to find something that you might want to download. So let's say I'm gonna provide an example app over here, its name, and then over here we can either use the install button in here, or we can tap on the app and find the install button in this place. Of course, now we need to wait for the app to be downloaded and then installed, and once it is ready to be used, you will find an open button in here inside the app, so you can use it to immediately open the app. Or of course, most of the time you can also find it, if not all the time, of course, you can find it every time, you can find it in the app drawer once the app is installed, of course, so be sure to check that out. And the second method is to use the Galaxy Store app. And in here, to be able to use this app, you need to have a Samsung account. So if you do have a Samsung account, then of course over here we should be able to switch to apps, and then you can just look for whichever app you want to install, although I have to say that the library of the Galaxy Store is definitely much smaller compared to the Play Store. Nevertheless, if you're looking for something more specific, you can of course go to this magnifying glass here in the upper right corner, and then you can search for any app that you want to install. So let's say I'm just gonna search for this app over here, and we can use this arrow on the right side in order to download the app, or of course we can tap on the app and then we can find the install button here at the bottom of the screen. And just like in the case of the Play Store, if you install the app, then you can open it immediately from this app over here. You will find the open button, or also you can go to the app drawer and find an app in here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.